This is the Amazon Basics folding guitar stand. This is a really great sturdy guitar stand, and I would definitely trust my instrument on it. It's metal, it's quite sturdy and substantial, would not be easily knocked over. You have these non-skid rubber feet on the bottom. It does have the Amazon Basics sticker on it. If you don't like that, you could easily peel that off. No big deal. It has these kind of foam padded holders for the instrument. You can do an electric or an acoustic guitar on this one. And you also have a little adjustment here on the back where you push in this button and you can open or close it. So you can adjust it narrower or wider, or you can of course close it all the way down for easy storage or travel. I really like how sturdy it is. I think it looks great. I actually keep this out in my living room all the time with my guitar on it, and it looks really nice. And there's also a foam padded piece right here to protect the back of the instrument as it leans up against it. You can see this is how it sits on it right here, nice and secure and stable. I definitely wouldn't hesitate to recommend this to anyone. It's a great value.